Okay, so before we end this discussion, mag-run through lang tayo sa work immersion nyo. So yun, normally, pag nag-work immersion kayo, OJT yun, di ba? Tapos parang as in nag-work kayo sa mga firms or sa iba't ibang companies. So ngayon, hindi na siya inalaw ng DepEd kasi may pandemic pa tayo. So siguro may mga requirements lang kayo na dapat ipasa. Gusto niyo bang humingi ng copy na to? So para mabasa nyo sa sarili nyo. Ayan. Mga 15 minutes basahin lang natin. So, yun, as stipulated in DepEd Order number 39, 2018, entitled Clarification and Additional Information to DepEd Order. Work immersion is a requirement for TBL track while it is optional for academic arts, designs, and sport tracks. Okay, so for academic track, ayan, for the ABM, this subject integrates all the key concepts and processes of accountancy, ABM, as applied in real-life activities following the business cycle. Business opportunity search, product, service development, business formation and organization, business implementation and control, business wind up, and relevant management reporting the context of ethical standard and social responsibility. Technologies are used in business enterprise as appropriate. In the culminating of the course, the school has the following options for the team of students based on most essential learning competencies. Okay, so for the Model A, simulation or operations of microbusiness enterprise in the barangay. The class will be divided into groups with 10 members each. The teacher will conduct pre-business simulations orientation to all students about the following: planning, establishment, and operation of micro enterprise, required documents, product, business plan, parents' consent, barangay business permit, business report, inspection of business simulation, post-business simulation requirements, and computations of grades. Let each group do research on the analysis of the business opportunities present in their community by considering the following: scanning of business opportunities, employing appropriate framework and analysis for the product, service, feasibility, appropriate methodology for determining the demand and market feasibility, conclusion, and recommendation. So as the group to prepare underscoring the following: strategic plan and competition, marketing plan, operating plan, and financial plan. The business fund shall be collected from equal contribution of each member of the group. Okay, so every Saturday, the inspection team composed of the following will check the operation business using the prepared evaluation tool. Barangay Kagawad. Okay, so Model B. So for Model A, hindi natin to ititake kasi ano siya may face to face. Taking part of the operation of any system business, hindi rin to pwede. Model C, online selling or online business simulation for ABM students, especially when a lockdown is being implemented in the community. So Model C tayo, guys. So yun, ito yung for work immersion natin. Online selling or online business simulation for ABM students, especially when a lockdown is being implemented in the community. The aforementioned models need to follow the most essential learning competencies or yung MELCs, which are derived from the curriculum guide of the business simulation and the expected output for the enabling task activities, and the business simulation proper. All applicable safety guidelines of department or DepEd, DOLE, and the business company relevant to the basic education shall apply. Let each group observe the following. So, ayun. Ito yung mga kailangan nating ipasa. The strategic plan and competition strategy, the marketing plan, operating plan, and financial plan. The business funds shall be collected from each equal and actual business operation. Let each group take part in the identified business within Saturdays. Each group shall discuss and record the transactions, sales, and experiences of the group. After taking part in the actual business operation, each group will be given 15 minutes to present their journey in the business simulation conference to be conducted by the ABM, department of the school. So the other details of Model A and B are subject to discretion or implementing of the school. On the other hand, due to inevitable challenges or problems caused by recent COVID-19 pandemic, the probability of the seasonal implementation of community quarantines, schools may opt to employ the Model C, online selling, or online business simulation for ABM students, especially when a lockdown is being implemented. Okay, below are the activities or best small business ideas for the high school students in the 2020 cited by profitableventure.com. Okay. So ito yung mga examples ng pwede nyong gawing business ideas. Okay, so start an errand running business or service. Become a moving assistant, scrapbooker, offer home check service, personal shopper, holiday decorator, garage sale organizer, gift wrapping services, candle making business, logo creation business, sell seasonal goods online, set up a social media consulting business, web design service, make how-to videos, be a blogger, bake and sell dog treats, start computer service, be a cake decorator, provide car wash services, start a photography business, bake and sell cookies, and provide editing or proofreading services. Okay. Ayan. So, yung mga ginawa natin last time, yung mga business pala na ginawa natin, ayun. Pwede natin siyang i-put into action na. Okay. So, pag-isip na kayo ng business, siguro hatiin ko na lang din kayo ulit sa 3 groups. Ayun. Hatiin ko kayo in 3 groups para magawa natin to. Model C lang tayo. More likely ang operations sa online. Online selling or online business simulation. Ayan, naku, mag-online selling tayo, guys. Pamay na lang po, ganon. Actually, ang naiisip ko, isang team na lang tayong lahat. Ayaw nyo ba? Gusto nyo ba yon? Parang isang team na lang tayong lahat. Since 15 lang naman tayo, isang team na tayo. Lahat tayo. Pero degradean ko kayo depende sa efforts. So, parang ang mangyayari, meron tayong general manager, Tapos meron tayong mga marketing, yung mga ipang-front natin pag nag-online selling, ganyan. Anong naiisip nyo? Anong gusto nyong gawin? Gusto ko kasi parang as a whole group na lang kayo. Like merong naka-assign para gumawa ng mag-track ng expenses, merong isa naka-assign para i-track yung sales. Tapos merong isa for the marketing, or siguro 2 or 3 yung mga magpo-promote ng product, ganyan. Okay. Ano pa ba? Tapos meron kayong pinaka-manager nyo na mag-check ng ng commitment nyo, and then ganon. Gusto nyo ba ganon na lang? Isang group kayo, lahat-lahat, tapos iba't iba na lang kayo ng role sa isang business, ganon. Or else, meron sa inyo Monday naka-assign or Wednesday, ganon. Pero isang business lang kayo, pero kumbaga nasa isang company kayong lahat. What do you think, guys? Para makapag-isip tayo ng best business idea. Kunyari, may isa delivery boy, ganyan. Taga-deliver ng mga foods. Yung iba naman taga-take ng order sa online. Di ba ganon? Gusto nyo ba yon? Na isang team na lang tayong lahat, iba-iba lang tayo ng role. For sure, ano bang naiisip nyo business? Pero kailangan natin kailangan ata talaga ng puhunan dito. Sino kaya maging manager? Taga-check ng, kunyari, taga-check kung ginagawa ba nitong isa yung work niya, ganun. Yung isa naman, ganun. Meron din tayong assistant manager. Tulong-tulong tayo. Anong business na iisip nyo? Yung parang kaya nating i-afford. Siguro kaya nating asikasuhin yung supplies. Totoo na to. As in, gagawa na tayo ng business. Siguro yung isa asikaso ng social media, like tagagawa ng poster, ganun. Hi guys. Any suggestion? Pwede kayo mag-unmute. Or any suggestion? Ayun yung feel kong kaya kong i-suggest sa inyo. Parang since 15 lang naman tayo, at para mas gawa talaga natin yung halos lahat ng role as a business. Parang kumbaga lahat tayo founder, or lahat tayo partners, ganon. Iba-iba lang tayo ng role. So we can have yung general manager. General manager. Sorry, na pala 11:43 na. Baka pag-usapan natin to sa Sige. Siguro pag may time ako sa Thursday, ko to. Pero mag-isip na kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong business. Tutulungan ko kayo kung ano yung gusto nating i-operate na business. Ayun. Magbabay and sell. Ganyan, buy and sell lang mga clothes. Or gusto nyo, milk tea. Tapos may taga-deliver kayo within Cavite. Kasi guys, sa taon na to, talaga natin to, ipupush natin. Kasi immersion nyo na to eh.
Ma'am, siguro pagkain na lang po yung yung i-business natin.
Okay, sige. Okay, sige. Anong food? Siguro, yun nga, madali din ano yun.
Kasi kunwari po, di ba, sa for example, kami yung food panda, di ba, may yung customer mag-order siya. Pero sa atin, gagawin na lang natin siya siguro through Facebook kasi mahirap
Yes.
gumawa ng ganun. Tapos, kailangan natin ng page.
Yes. Actually, talaga, mag-create talaga tayo ng page kasi meron siguro sa inyo isa or dalawa na magbabantay ng page. Siguro ayun yung mga part ng marketing natin.
Ma'am, may
Meron
page
sa
kasi
inyo.
ako, kaya lang di ko naman naggamit. Di ko na kasi tinuloy yung online business ko dati.
Pero siguro okay na din na mag-create tayo ng sarili nating page. Ayan, meron sa inyo na magbabantay ng page or siguro yung mga magte-take ng orders, ganyan. So yun, ang naiisip nyo ay food. Food. Anong specific na food? Milk tea?
Ma'am, kaninong place yung ipaprocess yung pinaka-order din sa gagawin?
Ano?
Saan gagawin yung, kunwari, milk tea nga po yung order nila. Kaninong place po yung gagawin?
Ayun, kaninong place kaya? Siguro yung mga malalapit yung bahay, magkakapit bahay. Tapos ano lang natin, tawag dito, ang target market natin within Cavite lang. Yung kaya nating pagdalhan ng food. Ano kaya ayun, kung food tayo, ang best na naiisip ko ay milk tea. Magka-canvas ako kung magkano yung kung magkano siya. As in, magpo-put up tayo ng business. Or kung gusto nyo, kung meron sa inyo magaling mag-bake, tama ba mag-bake or...
Gastos kasi ma'am, sa cake, magastos po kasi yung mga ingredients dun.
Ng bake, no?
Walang gamit.
Oo, okay. O bibili din kasi kayo ng gamit, sayang naman. Ayun. Sige, siguro yun, i-dismiss ko na kayo. Please mag-isip kayo. At least bawat isa sa inyo may makaisip ng at least isa sa inyo mag-isip ng ng gusto nyong business na pwede natin i-put into reality na talaga. Okay, tapos try kong gumawa ng natin, ng organizational chart natin na composed ng 15 person. Okay? Kayo please mag-PM kayo or sa chat natin kung anong pwede natin i-online selling. Within lang tayo, within Imus or Bacoor lang talaga. Huwag na tayong lumayo kasi para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay, may questions pa ba, guys? Tapos pagkakakitaan talaga natin. Ayun. And at the end of pwede yung paghati-hatian yung magiging tubo nun.
Ma'am, paano po pala yung delivery? Sino po mag-deliver?
Mag-deliver, pwede yung mga boys natin, yan, sila Ish, pwede yung mag-deliver. Yun. Pero, yun nga, gagawin lang siguro natin siya every weekend, ganun. Ay, pwede na tayo nasa Bicol ka. Okay, si Angeles, pwede siyang ikaw, Angeles, pwede kang, ikaw na lang yung magbantay ng, ng Facebook page natin. And then, pwede ka rin ikaw yung mag-take ng orders, ganun. Or mag-promote, ganyan. So, since online tayo, talaga natin, ma-exercise natin yung duties natin kahit magkakalayo-layo tayo. Yan. Okay, so let's think positive. Ayan, lalo na kung gusto nyo naman talagang kumita. Malay nyo, di ba, naman yung business nyo. Diba? At
Ano
least,
po yun, ma'am, na every weekend? So, parang kunwari, ma'am, may gusto yung iipunin yung orders, tapos weekend i-deliver, ganun po.
yes, pwede yung gano'n, oo. Hindi naman tayo, syempre starting business pa lang naman tayo, hindi naman tayo nag-expect na kailangan everyday meron tayong operation. Since siguro medyo costly din pag everyday. So, better na, na every weekend yung delivery. Pero within this week, parang nag-aasikaso na tayo ng pagtitake ng orders, pagpo-promote sa page, ano pa ba. Ayun, ganun siya. Or kung gusto nyo, kayong bahala kung everyday. Depende siguro sa orders, no? Depende sa orders. Kung sobrang dumami naman talaga siya. Ayan. Ganun. Tapos may mga kota-kota din tayo. Ayun, sinong gustong maging manager? Ikaw ba, Yubion? Gusto mong ikaw yung tumayong as manager ng ABM, ganon?
Ano po ba yung
Ng manager? Ano to ha? Guys, hindi tayo naglalaro dito ha. Totoo to. Parang we are really putting up a business. Ayan, pwede rin tayo mag-floating. Pwede rin naman siya actually hybrid, guys. Pwede rin siyang hybrid. Ganun. I-clothing natin, tapos food. Kayo pwede tayo mag-hybrid actually. Ayun, at least two industry or two types of business. Ayun, mag-online selling tayo. Ayan. So, ang role ng business managers or yung mga managers, syempre, at least at the end of the day, i-check mo kung ano yung naging status ng business. For example, nakailang orders kaya, ganyan. Ayun, i-check mo kung ginagawa ba ng classmate mo yung role niya, ganyan. Everyday mag-check ka kung na-post ba yung poster nyo, nakapag-share ba, ganun. Okay, pero try ko ayusin within this week, yung organizational chart natin. Kasi kasama rin yun sa ipapasa natin. Bali, tutulong na lang din ako sa paggawa ng natin, mga requirements natin. Okay? Let me know ha kung anong business yung naiisip nyo. Pwede tayong mag-hybrid. Hybrid yon, clothing, at the same time, meron tayong, kung gusto nyo, ano ba? Yung maliit lang, yun, clothing or yun nga din naisip ko, clothing, tsaka syempre may magiging model tayo, ganyan, si Shein. Tapos yung mga taga-deliver natin yung mga boys. Or pwede rin naman girls. Kung malapit lang. Okay? May questions ba, guys? Or basta yung suggestion nyo, i-type nyo lang dun sa natin. Pwede na tayo mag-dismiss. Yung mga suggestions i-chat nyo lang sa natin, sa chat box natin. Doon sa group. Please, maging seryoso tayo dito kung ano ba yung gusto nyong gawin. Kung gusto nyo, guys, mahilig ba kayong gumawa ng mga explosion box or surprises, ganon? Alam nyo ba yan, guys, na nakikinig ba kayo? Yung kunyari, ba to? Kunyari, may mga nag-anniversary, may mga birthdays, may mga gusto kayong i-surprise. Parang yung mga gift na handmade, like mga explosion box, tapos mga flowers na i-arrange nyo, ganun. Kasi siguro medyo mahirapan tayong maghanap ng ng target market. Ayun. Sige na, i-dismiss ko na kayo. Bali, nyo na lang. Mag-chat na lang kayo sa Facebook.
Sige. Bye guys. Dismiss ko na kayo.